Wow. I see you.
The night that the flowers fall off the tree, all right? The story says that if you step next to this tree at midnight and you find or you see one of those flowers falling off, all right, and it falls on the ground, what you gotta do is pick in the flower and hold it in your hand. By doing that, the devil appears in front of you right away, all right? So definitely it's not nice, but it's a common story. So you hold the pot because this is supposed to be something that was brought by evil, okay, by the devil or something. So you're basically stealing something from him, which is the flower. So you take the flower and run away right away, okay, because the devil is gonna come after you to get his flower back, but also to take your soul to hell. All right. So you gotta run as fast as possible, and okay, if he doesn't get you, for sure you run fast enough and his presence disappears. So you got the right to make one wish by holding the flower in your hand, and the wish will come through. But I don't know. It's just something.
Look how cool it is.